Hi, my name is Victoria Denholm, and today I'm reviewing Formative. Here, teachers can create interactive assignments and get quick, real-time feedback on student performance. This is a web-based platform available at goformative.com, and it's compatible on any device that has the internet. To get started, you just go to the website and sign up. It's a free website. However, there are some upgradable features. It's $13 per month to upgrade, and it gives you access to additional question types, which I'll talk about in a little bit. Some auto grading features, anti-cheating features, and things like that. To sign up, you can use a Google, Microsoft, or log in with Clever. And from here, it'll take you to your dashboard. And to create content, you can upload something, a PDF, image file, something from your Google Drive, or you can create your own from scratch. So you'd hit this button and it should open up something similar to this. And here there's those features I just talked about. And if you were to add a question, here's the options for questions, and it kind of gives you like how you could use them on the side over here, which is great. They also have a library of pre-made things, which is great. So some of the great features in here are the question types, having so many different options, the live feedback. So there's the opportunity for students to see the answer, or for you to see the student answers in real time, and you're able to provide feedback a little bit quicker, more instantly, and scoring, auto grading for questions. It does the grading for you for any of those objective questions. So if you have multiple classes like your middle, secondary, it'd be fantastic use to grade everyone's assignments and cut back on the grading. And then assigning work is super easy. You can send a link, you can embed it in your Google Classroom, use a class code, and then with the paid version, you also have the availability to assign to specific students. It auto saves all your work to your dashboard, and you can share it via direct link. Like I said, in Google, you can create a QR code. They make it super, super simple. There's so many uses for this. There's formative assessment, as it's in the name, to do those quick checks during a lesson and allow you to react in real time. Summative assessments, you can use it for your end of unit quizzes and any rubrics and standards-based rubrics and things like that. There's ELA and math, where you can analyze reading comprehension and ask questions. For math, there's a show your work function where you can see how they problem solve their explanation. It also, on the PIC-RAT scale, it does a great job. I think the sky's the limit with this resource. There's options for some passive replacement to replace the instruction, and students could be more passive, but you can interact with students a little bit more, have them interact with the content. It just depends on how this resource is used, but I think definitely interactive. You could do passive. It could do replacing, amplification, and potentially transformation as well. The 4E elevate it. Helps giving instructors the insight needed to differentiate in the classroom and respond to the need with more targeted support. It also can extend the learning. So the problems of practice that this addresses are the student performance gaps. It allows you to see where the gaps lie and be able to plug those. Student engagement and motivation. Students sometimes are more motivated by technology. Limited teacher time for individual support. So this is a great way to differentiate for those students, especially if we have a larger class, and provide one-on-one support and targeted interventions. It allows there's collaboration features built in. The need for more meaningful assessments. So this allows you to see that in that real time. So it really helps. And then it kind of just prepares the students for digital learning and work environments. So there's navigating those digital platforms and collaborating virtually with others. So thank you for watching my overview of Formative.